Hi YouTube, ACDodd here again, and I've got something different for you this time, and I'm going to introduce another new product. And this time we've got the ACDodd HS4 carburetor. So without further ado, let's dig in. So following on from the success of the HIF44, this new carburetor, which is the part number there, ABF 1132 ACD, is an HS4 version, just to add to the lineup. So basically, the reason why I've introduced this is because the HIF44 has been popular, and people around the world have asked me about being able to supply one of these rather than having to send back exchanges and stuff for a rebuild. So obviously I contacted the chaps at Berlin Fuel Systems who make all the SU parts, and you know, it is worth mentioning here that none of this will be possible without the chaps and chapesses down at SU Carbs at Berlin Fuel Systems in Salisbury. So as ever, I'm indebted to them to make this available. I will also add at this point, it's also nice to have the support from Mini Spares, who are going to stock these carburetors, so just to help me sell them. So there will be two options. You can buy these from Berlin Fuel Systems and obviously Mini Spares Centre. So without further ado, let's dig in. So what's in the box? This time there's a few more bits and pieces. So as with the HIF44, we have an inline fuel filter. So that comes in the kit, and then also in the box you will have the clip for the throttle cable, so that enables you to be able to connect that up properly rather than relying on having to use your old one. Also in the bag you will find gaskets. Now normally there's not enough gaskets, but I've been through here and made sure there's enough gaskets in the kit. There also comes with a new choke clip, and as with other HS4 SUs, Berlin supply a piece of fuel hose for the overflow, which is obviously included. Now the other thing which is in there as well is specific to a Mini application. That is the return spring adapter that goes on the clamp. Okay, so that's all included in the kit, so you get all that when you buy the carb. So in terms of what else is in the box, well, obviously it's the carburetor. So let's get that out and see what we've got. I always like this part of unwrapping an SU because the factory makes an excellent job of presenting these. So let's just carefully unroll that and see the lovely product that's inside. Very well wrapped. There we go. Look at that. Thing of absolute beauty. Let's take that out, remove the paper, and then we can see it in all its glory. Wonderful piece of kit, beautifully finished, obviously brand new. So this is all based on a brand new casting, or brand new castings I should say. So let's spend a little bit of time and talk you through some of the features of the ACDodd version. So first thing you'll notice is this is based on the wax jet carburetor. So you know, some people will be like, well, that's a bit of a retrograde step, isn't it? No, it's not, simply because this actually compensates for temperature. Now your fixed jet carb typically tends to go a little bit rich as temperature rises. Well, this will compensate, and that's why it's on the ACDodd carburetor. A lot of people don't necessarily get the tuning right and end up with the fuel mixture changing with temperature with these on, and that's because generally they haven't set the idle fueling correctly with the actual carb at the optimum temperature. So you can't just leave it idling. You've got to get the manifold hot in the Mini application to actually get the full temperature into that before you can actually set that properly. So moving on. In terms of the inside, we have a plain butterfly, so no holes. We also have the ubiquitous ported vacuum. So instead of manifold vacuum, which would be in this position, this has been drilled and put in the position so the vacuum takeoff is behind the butterfly. As you can see, it gets uncovered as soon as you move the butterfly, and the reason for that is all my carburetors have that, and that is so that we can reduce the ignition time in the idle to get a much cleaner emissions and pass. So that's how we won't have any problems passing emissions. You also get a smoother idle on an A series as well. Too much ignition advance causes popping, which causes unburnt fuel to go out the exhaust because of misfiring, and therefore your emissions go up. So moving on further around the carburetor, inside there we have the usual 70 valve Viton tip needle valve assembly. We also have the stay up float assembly, which is in all the other SUs now, but that's obviously standard fit on this. What also is special about this particular carburetor is it comes with an AAE needle and a red spring. So it's not perfect for all applications, but the problem is it's very difficult to get a needle, if not impossible, for every application. So I need to supply this in a sort of a semi-lean condition, so somebody can buy this and fit it to a new engine and not have that overfuel, which is why that I've chosen that needle. The other thing about that needle is it is considerably richer than a standard needle that would have come from the factory for a 998 A plus engine, for example, from the mid-80s. So that needle will give you a little bit more fuel at the top end of the rev range, but is only provided to get you going, so the carburetor will obviously need tuning once it's installed. I can't control the applications that these are fitted to, so with only the option of supplying one carburetor, then you'll have to understand that if you buy this, it needs to be tuned for your particular application to obviously get the best out of it. Okay, so what else is interesting about this carburetor? Well, it also features my ABF 1131 damper. So what that is the hybrid damper that I made up and made available earlier this year. And I've supplied that as standard in this carburetor. So in particular, because this is a new carburetor with that damper in, you will be needing to use typically the thinnest oils. Some applications will require a much thicker oil because you need obviously to get much more fuel on acceleration. So that is why that damper is included. So if you buy this, you don't also need to buy a damper. That already comes with it. Again, subject to the same issues, is you will need to obviously have that tuned properly to get the best out of it. But having said that, that is about the limit of all the bits and pieces, or all the facets on this carburetor. So the most important thing is there is now a carburetor which is the same as the carburetors that I take with me when I'm on the road tuning. You can now buy this off the shelf, and you can obviously fit this to your vehicle and then get it tuned and save on having to send carbs in, find an exchange, etc, etc. As I said earlier, I'm indebted to Berlin Fuel Systems and SU Carbs for making this possible, and obviously Mini Spares for helping me distribute these. Now, the other things to understand at this point is I don't make any money out of these. All right, so if you're buying these, you're supporting the UK parts industry, right? Specifically SU Carbs, Berlin, etc, etc. So many thanks for buying these. All I get out of these is the ability to be able to tune these for people that have fitted these, and obviously I'll be safe in the knowledge that people have got a way of purchasing a new carburetor which will at least work in their classic A-series applications. So I just want to clear that up, before people start accusing me of making money off the back of all this. I don't make any money out of these. I'm just doing it purely because people have asked me to provide one, so that's what I'm doing. In terms of the future, I might be looking at introducing other carburetors like twins and things, but only if there's a demand. So we've got the HI44, we've now got a HS4 for everybody to use and enjoy. As I said before, the components these carburetors will be available from SU Carbs and Mini Spares. Prices have yet to be set, so these will be available in typically 3 to 4 weeks, something like that, from certainly from Mini Spares and obviously from Berlin Fuel Systems direct. So those who enjoy discounts with those companies can obviously enjoy those discounts with these carburetors as normal. It's worth noting that as I do with the HI44, if anybody wants an individually numbered version, a zero tolerance one, you know, which is basically checked over and massaged by myself, then you're free to do that, but obviously that will add to the cost. So I just wanted to let you know that these are going to be available very soon. So with all that being said, as ever, please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much.